Okay, in this video, I will share to you about how to make DIY woodworking simple bench like this, and let's begin for the tutorial. First of all, we have to prepare the basic shape with using the rotate rectangle in this option, in these tools. We can click this rotate rectangle, okay, and we can click on the origin. Click the origin with the left click on our mouse, and we can drag to the another side. We can drag to the another side around 60 centimeter or 600 millimeter, and enter. And we can set the thickness of this wood around 40 millimeter and enter. Okay, this is the first basic plane. Then we can click this surface, click this push pull tools, and click this surface again, one clicks, and click it up around 50 millimeter and enter. Okay, we have the 3D wood, the first 3D wood in here. We can triple click, right click, and make component and create. Then we can assign the materials with using the materials tools in the right side option. We can click this materials kind, select the wood, and we can select the kind of the wood option as we want. For example, the wood veneer in here, and just click on the object, okay, and it will be automatically have assigned material on this object. And we continue to make another arrangement of wood. We can use the rotate rectangle again, click again in here, and click on this corner, okay, and click on this corner and drag to the another side. We can drag to the another side around 300 millimeter and enter, and we got this. And now we can click this push pull and click this surface and pull to the front around 40 millimeter. We tap 40 on our keyboard and tap enter. Okay, and we can triple click this object, right click, and also make component here and create. Okay, then now we can move the middle to the middle of this wood, select the move and click on the middle and place to the perpendicular middle in here. Okay, then we can click this surface, this material, and click to this object. Then now we can duplicate this object. We can select a move, press Ctrl on our keyboard, and click on the middle. Then we can click on this position. Okay, then now we can get the leg of the bench, the first leg of the bench. Now we can make the another wood frame. We can using the rotate rotate rectangle in here, or we can using the rectangle and click for the any position and click to this edge and click to this edge, enter. Okay, then we can click the surface and click this push pull and click this surface again and push it up around 400 millimeter, tap enter on our keyboard. Okay, then triple click this object again, right click and select make component and create. Now we can assign the materials with using wood veneer material and assign this material. Okay, then now we can select move and tap Control on our keyboard and click this corner and place to this edge. Okay, so this is the progress. This is the first leg arrangement, and now we can select all this object and right click and make group, and it will be automatically be one group. And now we can duplicate, we can copy it, select copy, move, we can select move, tap Control on our keyboard and click from this midpoint and place and point our cursor to the another side around 1.2 meter or 1200 millimeter. Okay, then we have the two leg of the bench like this, and now we can continue to make the another wood frame again using the rotate rectangle and click from this endpoint and click to this edge and place to the midpoint of this. Okay, and now we can get this plane and just select the pull and click the surface and pull it up around 100 millimeter, enter, and then we can triple click and we can click this surface and select a push pull tool, click the surface again, okay, and move the cursor linear with the leg in here, and again click the surface and click this push pull and click the surface again and move until linear with the leg of this bench, and it's done. Then triple click, right click, make component, create, and assign the material with using wood veneer, and then we can click this object, select move and tap Control and click this edge and place to this edge. Okay, then now we can make the another frame with using rotate rectangle, click this point, we can make the rotate rectangle, click from this point until this point and move to the bottom around 100 and enter. Now we can click this surface and select a push pull tool and click the surface and place to this edge, place to the surface, and then triple click this object, right click and make component and create and assign this material. Now we can duplicate this one, select move, tap Control and select this corner and move align with red axis in this corner, in this endpoint. Okay, and then we can make the another frame in here with using rotate rectangle, click from this position and click to this position and click on this position and click the surface and click this push pull tool and click this surface again and move this surface until this distance. Okay, then triple click this object, right click, make component, create, and assign the materials. And now we can click this object, select move, tap control, and click this object again and move duplicate to this object. Okay, then now we can click this object, select a move, and click this midpoint and tap control to duplicate and place to the midpoint for the strengthened frame. And don't forget to right click and make it unique. And now we can triple click, select this surface, and select a push pull tool, click this surface and connect this surface to this face. Okay, and exit from the group. And now we can click this wood and select a move, tap control on our keyboard, click this corner and place to this corner, and we can type 8/ and enter. And we can delete the double wood here, click this once, right click and erase, and it will be like this. Okay, this is about the simple woodworking DIY bench of this tutorial, and we can now activate the shadow to make it more clear of the detail of the construction of woodworking simple bench DIY like this. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.